As you look into automation, you may be wondering, how do I find the best machine to maximize my assembly? But in reality, automation starts long before the machine is purchased. In this video, we will cover 6 common mistakes when it comes to automation, as well as what you should know before automating your manufacturing process. Switching from a manual to an automated process can cause problems because automated processes tend to have much tighter tolerances and are driven by sensors and cameras, whereas manual processes are often assembled by hand and can deal with a little bit more variability within the parts. Transitioning between the two processes adds challenges in terms of part consistency, die cut tolerances, and material specifications. The 6 common mistakes we see when people use automation are: their designs lack regard for automation, they use the wrong automation equipment, they overcomplicate the process, they don't plan for scaling, they budget the wrong amount, and they don't have the right partners. Designs for automation need to consider differences in materials, tolerances, and ease of release between manual and automated processes. Failure to account for these factors can result in tolerance errors, misplacement of parts, and increased labor through manual interventions. Using the wrong automation equipment can result in significant financial loss. Automated machines have specific processing capabilities, and purchasing a machine without considering material width, tolerances, and application methods can lead to inefficiencies. In some cases, if the machine is unsuitable, a second machine might be required, resulting in additional costs. Automation can overcomplicate the process by not considering the actual needs of the product and just going for the fanciest, most expensive piece of equipment out there. This can potentially lead to inefficiencies because your machine is not properly designed to the part you're making, and you are spending money just for the sake of spending it. Working with the right converter gives you the confidence you need to make sure you have the right machine for your process. If you don't plan for scaling and automation, then you can end up short shipping your customer because your machine does not have the required throughput to meet their expectations. It is important to plan for scaling so that you do not overlook product performance, how your product will be delivered, and difficulties in adjusting for setup. Budgeting the wrong amount can lead to significant financial issues throughout the project. The decision to switch to automated manufacturing is often volume-based, and inadequate budgeting may result in underestimating costs related to machine purchase, setup, runtime, and upkeep. Asking too few questions initially can lead to costly changes later in the process. If you don't have the right partners, you can end up with any of the previously mentioned issues brought up in this video. Experienced partners contribute by asking the right questions, making suggestions for efficient production, and ensuring a streamlined assembly process. Lack of expertise in automation can lead to suboptimal outcomes. Before automating, it's imperative to have a comprehensive timeline for the future of this product. This will allow you to plan better for your machine, for your goals, for your output, and to ensure that you are meeting customer demands. By going into your automation journey with the points that we talked about in this video, you will be set up for success. If you have any more questions, feel free to visit the Learning Center on our website or reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching.